Yeah, another beautiful day to scrap. Today I've got this. This is a mini blind. It came from my friend's parents' house. They bought a new one. This one's no good. It's hanging up when they try to raise it and lower it. It's got bent parts in it, and I don't know if they spilt something on it but listen. They're all stuck together like they spilt something on it too. So this is steel, tin, whatever, ferrous, and so is this. But these are aluminum. Now the way this is, the way it sits, I could sell this at the scrapyard for irony aluminum price and get like 17 cents a pound. And sometimes this bushing here is brass, where the string goes, but not in this one. And this rod is just tin too. Sometimes the rod will be stainless or higher quality, like 400 grade stainless, or aluminum or something. But this is just regular tin. But these are easy to strip out. You just find the bottom, cut the string. Same on the other side. Cut the string or the knot or whatever. And then grab all the aluminum and slide it all out one side. Ah, that's really stuck. They're stuck together like the pages of a Penthouse. Ugh. Oh, that's nasty. So now we got some old dirty sheet aluminum. Get them all out. Oh, they're all... Yeah, they must have spilt something on this, because usually these just slide right out. These are all sticky. Ew, sticky. There, so now we got some aluminums and some tin. Beer break. So why get irony aluminum price when you can get, this is old dirty sheet now. It's like 52 cents a pound. Stay. And we got some tin, which is 9 cents a pound right now at my scrapyard anyways. So just remember, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.